primary chiller, or the rooftop portion of it. Similar to the AC unit you might have outside of your house. Does the same thing. Takes the heat out of the refrigerant. Here you can see that the insulation on the line set says deteriorated. It's the other half of the chiller system. It's the barrel or the evaporator. This is the part that removes the heat from the cooling water that circulates the building, transfers that heat to the refrigerant. This is the middle school chiller. This is what provides air conditioning to the building. Water comes out of the building, goes into the chiller, gets chilled, comes out of the chiller, and goes back into the building. This is the high school cooling tower. So the hot water is generated by the chillers, comes up this pipe over here and across into the top tank, and it rains down across this fill material here and settles in the bottom tank. There's a big fan on top that draws air in through this side and the opposite side that cools the water as it runs through the material. The water then runs from the bottom through this pipe and on down back to the chillers. And it repeats over and over. Here's a close-up view of the fill material. Zoom in close. That's 20 plus years of mineral buildup. So the water will trickle down through here from the top, and the air will be drawn through all these hexagonal shaped openings in the material. Here you can see a crack in the top tank, which allows water to spill out the side of the tower instead of all running down through the material where it's supposed to. Here's a different corner, also cracked. You're going to be able to tell it's been sealed up, plastic welded, and we finally resorted to getting inside there and spraying Flex Seal on the inside in order to minimize leakage and hopefully get through cooling season. And a third cracked corner. This flange is cracking on the return side.